So in today's video, I want to show you some of the video settings here in Microsoft Teams and some of the new filters coming out soon. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Meet Now and then Start Meeting. From here, of course, we can change my video settings, my audio settings. I could go ahead and choose my open device settings, and I can see all the video settings we're going to talk about. However, to make it easier, I'm going to hit Join Now. And now that we're in the meeting, we're going to be able to see the impact of these changes a little bit easier. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the More Actions button and then Device Settings. And then from here, we're going to scroll on down to Video Settings. And first up, of course, you can change which camera you're looking at. I've got the Camlink 4K selected. But first of the video settings I want to show is Mirror My Video. And you might be asking, well, why is that important? Well, right now, when I'm looking at my own video here, and obviously there's multiple people joined, I would see this in a much smaller window, but I can look at myself and see my t-shirt read correctly. I can read that it says Game Changer. And if, for example, I hit Mirror My Video, now you can see that it is backwards, which can be quite confusing in certain times. Maybe I have text in a virtual background or behind me in my physical background, or maybe I have things on my t-shirt or I'm writing on a whiteboard and I want to be able to just see that how everyone else is seeing it. Well, if that's the case, if I unmirror my video, I can read things exactly how everyone else is interpreting my video on their Teams client. So next up, we have Adjust Brightness. And as you can imagine, Adjust Brightness really is trying to enhance the look and feel of our video display here. And as we all know, half of getting a good image on your videos is making sure that you have good lighting. So right now, my lighting isn't necessarily poor, but it's a little bit dark. So if I choose Adjust Brightness, you can see it brightens everything up a little bit and gives me a little bit more of a crisp, professional feel to my Teams video here. So that's the Adjust Brightness. Of course, you can play with this and see what it looks like in your environment. And then last up, we have the Soft Focus. This allows you to put a smoothing effect on your appearance. And if we go ahead and enable this, you now get a sliding bar so you can change the impact of this setting. So right now I'm somewhere in the middle, and I actually quite like this. I think this gives me an okay balance between just smoothing me out a little bit, but still keeping in some of my natural artifacts, so to speak. But I could go ahead and ramp this all the way to the top, and now it really starts to smooth out my appearance. Kind of gives, I've seen those filters on things like TikTok where you can become a Disney character. For some reason, it gives me that type of vibe. So, a little bit aggressive for my liking, but I kind of like it somewhere here in the middle. So that's the smoothing effect. You can play around with the sliding bar and see what you like on your video. And really, that's all I wanted to share today of some of the filters and video settings coming in Microsoft Teams to really help you out if you're in situations where you don't have perfect lighting and visuals, that you can start using some of these filters inside Microsoft Teams to help you out. Well, till next time, I think you might enjoy this video up here. We'll see you soon.